the show, kids. For today, we are going to be giving our trucks a bath. Alright, so come on here, Lifty. Yeah, go Lifty. Or Scoop, I mean. I keep forgetting their names. Alright, here's Lifty. There you go, join Scoop. And then we got Dumpy. Ooh. There we go, everyone's comfortable in the pool now. Alright, kids. So, I bet they're having fun playing. Alright, Dumpy, let's get some water and dump it out over here onto X-Ski. Alright, let's get some water, put it over there in Dumpy. Come on, let's put some water in Dumpy, kids. There you go, Dumpy. Aw, this is where you come in. Where you come in, X-Ski. Can't get enough water, kids. Come on. There you go. Let's dump out the water, Dumpy. Aha, I knew you'd be happy about this, Dumpy. Oh, man. But, kids, I'm going to go to Dollar General tomorrow. And I'm going to get some new trucks. Okay? Alright. So, you know what? I think you need a toy to play with. Alright, kids. So, I'm gonna go get the truck's toy to play with. There you go, trucks. Oh, look at that. They love it. Oh, he gets the shot. Oh, he gets the shot. Yay! He makes it onto Dumpy's back. And then Dumpy tries to pass it back. But, oh! A good defense by X-Ski. Alright, I'm going to get something different to play. Bye-bye, blue ball. Right. Let's see. If I was a truck, what would I want to play with? Alright, let's see. I know. A boat. There could be a boat. All the trucks could get a boat ride. Yeah. Alright. Right. Hey, X-Ski, Scoop, and Dumpy. Look. Alright. So there we go. Alright. Everybody needs to wait their turn, so Scoop and X-Ski, Dumpy gets to go first. Alright, there we go. Like that, Dumpy? Yeah, I thought you would. Oh, alright, Dumpy, your turn's over. Alright, Scoop. Oh wait, Scoop needs to stand up. Come on. Stand up, Scoop. There you go. Give it a spin. Whee! Isn't that fun, Scoop? Yeah. Alright. X-Ski's turn. Whoa, I got an extra big spin on him. Alright. There we go. That's the boat ride. Now, it's time for the splashing contest. Alright, so this time X-Ski gets to go first. Alright. Let's jump. Alright. Good jump by X-Ski. Alright. It's what's the name? Oh yeah, it's Scoop's turn. Alright, good. And then now Dumpy's turn. We're gonna do a redo because Dumpy hit Scoop's digger scoop thing. You know what? I can't really tell because So now, anyway, that's it, I guess. Alright, the truck's had me some time today. So me in the swimming pool, but now the most fun part, dumping it out. Things like that, guys. Anyway, tune in next time to see when we